First of all, congratulations in receiving a winning position in the strategy contest.
Thank
And
you.
I'm very excited you'll be talking today about psychological barriers in trading. So feel free to start with the
Yes.
webinar.
Okay. In trading, we know we have strategy, but still, we know that 90% of traders fail because there is a psychological barrier, and but many of them don't know they are facing the psychological barriers, like they have the good profitable situation, but they don't take that trade, but take the opposite one and say that, oh, if I can take that trade, then I could be the profitable one. So the first enemy of our trading is ourselves. Is a That is a psychological enemy. And second one is strategy. If we do have a if we do not have a good strategy, then we cannot make good profit in trading. And instead of a good strategy, if we are not making profit, then it's the other enemy, that is a psychological. So I begin with, first I'm talking about the strategy. Uh, in every book there is a written there RSI, moving average, and CCI. These are the indicators we use, and traders use those indicators, but they are not making profit, then they keep changing their strategy. So before trading on live account, I suggest they should first test the strategy, whether the strategy they are using, that is a profitable one or not. And if it is profitable, then they should test it first on demo account. And if still they are making losses, then the second part is coming, that is the psychological barriers. In psychological barriers, there are types. First is we are looking around and finding some information. Okay, presently there are sellers in the market or buyers in the market. Depending on the environment, we are taking our decisions. So before taking decisions on the environmental basis, they should first concentrate on their strategy, whether the strategy is providing a signal for buy or sell, or saying that okay, stay out of the market. And second is our own bias. Like sometimes what happens, we are following the strategy and we are taking still losses. Then what we do is, when we could have the profitable situation, at that time we don't take that trade thinking that okay, last time we had a loss, this time again it will be a loss, so stay out of the market. So at that time, again, our psychological emotions are preventing us to taking any trade. And one second. And we also do not avoid the unknown facts. Like unknown facts can occur, and what is not totally clear to us prevent us from doing many things and keep us locked in an unprofitable state. While it may sound ridiculous to some, traders may actually fear making money. They may not be aware of it, but traders often worry expanding their comfort zone, or simply fear that their profit will be taken away So before start trading, we should look for our strategy. We should look and we should understand our own emotions. Like, okay, we are trading for the livelihood, we are trading for just extra income. So depending on the our own need, we should stick to that plan, and after that we should trade. And another common tendency is that we are holding onto the losers too long while selling the winners too quickly. While price fluctuates, we must factor in the magnitude of the momentum to determine if the change is due to noise or some fundamental effect. Pulling out of trades too quickly often results from ignoring the trend of the market. These deviations from rational behavior lead to irrational action, and at that time we miss our potential gains due to psychological bias. Once we are aware that we may be affected by our own psychology, we realize it may affect our trading on the subconscious level. Awareness is often enough to inspire change if we do in fact work to improve our trading. There are several things we can do to overcome our psychological roadblocks, beginning with removing input from the obviously biased. Charts don't lie, and greed is good, but our perception of them may change. We stand the best chance of success if we remain objective and focus on simply strategy and profit from the price momentum. How the market operates and move help us overcome our fear or greed while it trades. When we feel we have entered unknown territory, like there is no market movement and we don't know what will be the outcome, at that time it is better to get out of the market. So in the end, I will say our bias can affect our trading even when we don't think we are trading on a biased information. Also, when an outcome appears indefinite, we make our own judgment, even though we have a conception of how the market is supposed to move. Our anticipation can also be deterrent from achieving what it we think we want. That's all.
Thank you very much, Drishti. Now, just maybe a quick question. So, what are your future plans in terms of the strategy contest? So, you received the winning place. What are you going to do
Okay,
next? Continue and try to receive another winning position?
absolutely. I'm trying my best, and every month I change my strategy to find a new strategy. Okay, what could be the best one to provide the highest return in a month? So every month I change my strategy depending on what I feel in that month, and I'm doing it every month from last 22 months. And last month it was good.
And what do you think is else needed to make sure that you receive first place? Apart from the
Uh,
improvements that you have mentioned already, do you think maybe in terms of your psychological maybe aspect that you need to like, because some say that you need to make sure that you set a target for yourself and you focus on that, and once you set a specific goal like win first place, then you just also need to make sure that
Okay.
Your mind is fully set to for winning.
Okay. First thing is that everyone in the strategy contest played for the winning position. However, strategy change, and if you are playing with like they don't have any stop loss, anything, we can say 1000 pips of stop loss, or there's a scalping. If scalping a strategy works, everyone can make 500% or 200% in a month, and they can be a billionaire. However, I think in a strategy contest, like it's a fully strategy based, so there is no psychological effect, you know, preventing us to winning the first position or winning position in the contest. So if anyone is having the psychological problem and they can't hold the any trade too long, then they should go for the strategy.
Okay, and my colleague is also asking, how do you like the Dukascopy community forecast product, and are you going to continue cooperating and collaborating and making sure that we're able to produce the best product there? There she is, by the way,
Of
my
course,
colleague.
of
Of
course,
course.
I'm doing it. Hi.
He says hi.
Hi! I'm so happy to receive a
Hi.
positive reply from you.
Great. Well, congratulations. I think
Actually, I
you're
was.
doing.
Okay, you continue.
No, please. Just a small lag. Please continue. I'll finish later.
Okay, I was saying to Eugenia that last 2 weeks I was, out of my town on Saturday, so that's the reason I was not able to send it. But from this week, I will send it for sure.
She's very happy.
I'm so happy. Thank you so much.
So congratulations once again. You're doing a great job, and we wish you all the best. And we hope to see
Thank
you
you.
on our webinars. Perhaps maybe you would like to do other webinars as well, and we'd love to have you. So thank you very much for sharing your thoughts and ideas with us.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day and good luck.
Same to you.
Thank you.